The 511 Taclite Pro Short with an 11-inch inseam is the consistent choice of law enforcement and tactical operators around the world. This short was engineered to provide superior performance in hot and humid climates. These shorts were crafted from 6.14-ounce poly cotton ripstop fabric to ensure durability, breathability, and lasting comfort in the warmest environments. The action waistband ensures a secure and reliable fit that moves with you. The extended inseam offers added lower leg protection. Triple needle reinforcements and 48 individual bar tacks ensure maximum durability. Additional features include our signature 511 strap and slash pockets at the rear, extra deep front pockets, 3 thigh-mounted utility pockets, a double thick seat, and a convenient D-ring that holds your keys or ID. We've also added YKK zippers and prim snaps. This is the 511 Taclite Pro Short in 11-inch inseam.